Hi, I'm Bill Gentry at the Gentry Law Firm in Marietta. The purpose of this video is to provide some basic information about the federal government's Payroll Protection Program loans. Many of you may have gotten a PPP loan last spring. Regardless of whether you got one then or didn't, you can get one now. The best feature of the PPP loan is that it's forgivable, meaning that you can probably avoid having to repay the PPP loan. Congress appropriated $284 billion for the second round of PPP loans. Although this is a lot of money, it will go fast. Lenders are accepting applications for PPP loans, and so you want to put in your application as soon as possible. You'll apply to a bank or other lender, not to the U.S. Small Business Administration. If you already have a relationship with a bank or another lender, especially if you made a PPP loan application last spring, I would encourage you to return to that lender now. They likely will have a copy of what you submitted last spring, and they can just have you update the PPP loan application you submitted at that time. I applied through a fintech or financial technology company called Lendia, which processed my application and funded it within a week last spring. I've also submitted my application for a second round of a PPP loan to Lendia. However, traditional banks have greatly improved their own loan approval processes and are moving to the second round PPP applications much more quickly than they did last year. The restrictions on this second round of PPP loans have been loosened. You don't have to spend as much on payroll as last time, and you have a broader range of other items you can spend the funds on. More importantly, the first round of PPP loans for about 2 months of payroll, but the second round is for about 2.5 months of payroll, or about 25% more. You can also base it on either 2019 or 2020 payroll, whichever was larger. To be eligible, however, you have to show that for at least 1 quarter of 2020, your revenues were down by at least 25% over the same quarter in 2019. For many firms, that won't be a problem. Many of the documents you'll need are the same for this PPP loan application as for the last one. Bank statements, proof of payroll like 941 forms, and business income tax returns. Apply today to get things moving. And if you need the services of a divorce and family law firm, call us at the Gentry Law Firm at 770-425-5573.